Whoa! Whoa! Oh! My gosh! This is Rocco's Toybox. Today we're going to be demonstrating the Dinosaur volcano with cats. Look all around you. There's cats invading the dinosaur world. And what do we have here? Men that are going to get burned their feet off. Oh no, I don't know, I just made that one up. What you need is old Smokey. You need old Smokey right over here. Yeah, boom baby over there. We also need baking soda, disho, covering, measuring spoon, a piece of paper to make a funnel. And we have these guys, our triple baby boons. Let's get started. Okay, we're ready to end the Vancouver explosion. And here's the little babies over there. And there they are. We live in the dinosaur world. I mean the kitty world if you want to be obvious. Oh. I think they like this. I think they like it a lot. Now we're going to make it explode. And, oh no, we have two Kittysauruses next to us. And ready? Whoa! 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 Let's make it explode again. With the men this time.
Freak out.
And... Whoa! Ow! 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 Ouchie wallas! Ouchies! Ow! 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 Look, Kitty, don't burn yourself in the hot water. It's hot. Thank you for watching my vintage dinosaur train video. Have a good day. Like, oh, a good day.